The half-second jerk you feel is the drivetrain loading up. Hydraulic pressure applies a clutch inside the transmission. The torque converter begins transferring engine force, and every small gap in the mounts, shafts, and differential is taken up at once. A light bump can be normal. A pause followed by a hard bang is not, and it points us toward a very different diagnosis. In most automatics, selecting drive or reverse sends pressurized transmission fluid to a clutch pack, the stack of friction discs that locks the correct gear path. At idle, the torque converter, the fluid coupling between engine and transmission, is already transmitting a small amount of force. When that force reaches the wheels, a mild immediate nudge can simply be normal engagement shock. Engine and transmission mounts are rubber and metal supports that hold the powertrain in position while absorbing vibration. When the rubber cracks, collapses, or separates, the engine can twist too far as drive or reverse engages. The result is often a single delayed clunk, sometimes stronger in reverse because the powertrain rocks in the opposite direction and strikes its limit. Automatic transmission fluid is both lubricant and hydraulic working fluid. It carries pressure to clutches, controls heat, and lets valves move predictably. If the level is low, the pump may draw air and pressure can build late. If the fluid is badly degraded or contaminated, engagement may become slow, inconsistent, or harsh. A leak matters more than fluid color alone. Inside the transmission, clutch packs and, in some designs, bands hold specific gear elements. As friction material wears, the transmission may need more time or pressure to make the gear hold. That can produce a delay, an engine speed flare, then a hard catch, repeated slipping, burnt-smelling fluid, or worsening engagement when hot raises concern for internal wear. Shift solenoids are electrically controlled valves, and the valve body is the hydraulic control center they operate. Together, they route fluid pressure to the correct clutch at the correct moment. A sticking valve, weak solenoid, or worn valve body passage can make pressure arrive too early, too late, or too aggressively, causing erratic bangs that may come and go. The torque converter itself can also wear. It contains an impeller, turbine, and stator that move fluid to multiply torque at low speed. Many converters also use a lockup clutch, called the torque converter clutch, for efficiency while driving. Converter problems more often add shudder, vibration, noise, or debris, but in some cases they can contribute to rough engagement. Not every clunk comes from inside the transmission. Driveline slack means looseness between rotating parts after the gearbox. On rear-wheel drive vehicles, worn U-joints or excess differential backlash can clack as torque changes direction. On front-wheel drive cars, worn inner CV joints can do something similar. A clunk during both gear changes and on-off throttle strongly suggests this area. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, is the computer that commands pressure and shift timing. Many vehicles use adaptive values that learn clutch fill times and driver behavior. After a battery disconnect, software update, transmission repair, or long period of wear, those learned values may be wrong. A relearn can help, but programming should never be blamed before mechanical faults are checked. The pattern often matters more than the sound. An immediate, gentle bump with stable idle is usually less concerning. A 2-second delay followed by a bang suggests delayed pressure or clutch fill. A clunk that changes when switching from drive to reverse points toward mounts or driveline slack. A shudder that continues after engagement may involve the converter, engine misfire, or another rotating component. You can make several safe observations without crawling under the car. Hold the brake firmly, shift through park, reverse, neutral, and drive, and note the delay, noise, and vibration. Watch whether engine speed rises before the car engages. Check for fresh fluid spots and whether the problem is worse cold or hot. Do not repeatedly power brake or rev the engine to force the symptom. A slight consistent bump with no delay, warning light, leak, slipping, or worsening trend may be a normal drivetrain characteristic. Arrange diagnosis soon if engagement is delayed, violent, temperature dependent, or paired with shudder, fluid loss, burnt odor, or a check engine or transmission warning. A proper scan, fluid level check, mount inspection, and driveline inspection are what separate a harmless nudge from real failure.